Hi, I am Shivani, biomedical engineer at EquipMedy. Today we have this machine of BPL patient monitor, Vivid Vue M12, and let's unbox this and check what comes with the machine. So first we have the accessories box and main unit, patient monitor. So this is the patient monitor, and let's check what's in the accessories box. So we have user manual. Cable comes with this machine. Have NIBP cuff. In this machine, we will get adult NIBP cuff, pediatric and neonatal BP cuff. Hose pipe, temperature sensor. 2 temperature sensors we get with this machine. Power cord. Then we have SpO2 probe, disposable electrodes. So these are the accessories which come with this machine.